Hey everyone, it's Chrissy Woods. Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I filmed a YouTube video, but if anything can bring me back to YouTube, it's our girl Jackie Aina. I had to do this review, guys. Like, I'm so super proud of Jackie Aina, and just knowing and watching her for over 10 years, I've always been a huge fan of Jackie Aina. And to know that she is one of the first, if not the only, African American to actually have a collaboration with somebody as big as Anastasia, I had to support her. So in case you guys are wondering why I'm looking down, I'm also filming a live video for Facebook at the same time. So I'll be kind of talking to the both of you guys. So if you feel like I'm looking down, it's just because I'm talking to my Facebook family as well. All right, so I have worked, as y'all know, I'm a hairstylist. I have worked in the salon all day. I literally just got home like 20 minutes ago. I took my eyeshadow off and went straight upstairs because I'm so ready to do this thing. And I ain't leave y'all out because I didn't even open it, see? So we're going to open this thing together, okay? So I ordered it like 2 days ago. The shipping was super fast. I got it today. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So even the outer packaging has this holographic type thing going on. So let's get into it and see what it's all about. We are opening this together. It is in there too, girls. Ooh, can y'all see it? I know my light is bright. So the packaging initially has that same little holographic feel to it. So let's see. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm so excited. Y'all, these are amazing. Can y'all see that? Alright, so I'm not a good swatcher, okay? Just not. So don't bank on the swatches. I'm just not good at swatching. But I can tell you off bat, we have about 8 shimmers and 6 mattes. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So we got a lot to play with here. I'm so excited. The warm tones that is in this palette is amazing. The one thing that I'm so excited about this palette, like Jackie said, she was like, it's just the one palette for brown girls. We don't have to skip any rows. Like, every single one of these shades are colors that we can wear. And I do. I see myself wearing all of these shades. Now, I can tell you, off top, I'm excited about Lituation, Dollars, Wigglies, and Zam. But just for fun, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just recreate the look that Jackie did on her page. I think I kind of remembered. I watched the video a couple times, and so I'm gonna try it and just kind of see what happens. But let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all don't want to hear me ramble, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer so y'all can see. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to go in, y'all know I like to go in with a warm shade, but when Jackie did her look, she went in with this shade right here. It's called Pinker. Right, and it's kind of like a warm pink. It's really pretty. So we're going to go in with Pinker and see what it's all about. Now, one thing we know about Anastasia, her shadows are bomb.com. Every palette that I've ever purchased from Anastasia, I've never had an issue. Now, we all know that they are super pigmented, and when you have a super pigmented shadow, sometimes you will have some kickback or some fallout. But who cares if you're getting a pigmentation, right? So let's go in with that. And we do have a little bit of kick up, but that's okay. So we're going in with Pinker. Ooh, she is cute. She real cute. And you know the thing I like about this, y'all? I do not have any, and I have a collection. I don't have anything in my collection that resembles these colors. That is what excited me about this palette. So we're going to go in with Pinker. Look at that pigmentation, y'all. Ooh, she cute. She cute. I'm trying to remember exactly what Jackie did. I should have pulled it up. But y'all, when you're excited about doing something, you literally just run upstairs and film. Next, she went in with Edges. And I'm going to take the same brush. Now, Edges got a little bit of kickback. She kicking up. Edges is like a warm color. And I did hear somebody describe it as brown script. If y'all some old school MAC lovers, y'all remember brown script. Brown script was that color every brown girl had to have. Like, it was just hands down a must. So we're going to go in with edges. And I think she did it. Where did she put edges? Y'all, I forgot. I'm going to do my own thing. How about that? Ooh. Edges, like, didn't come to play. Edges ain't playing with y'all. Ooh, edges ain't playing. Ooh, edges is not playing. She is pigmented, okay? And I'm just going in right above pinker. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Let's try Credit. Credit is my dark brown. Right here, can y'all see that? Right there, Credit. We're gonna take Credit and we're gonna go into the outer third. Y'all, these shadows are not playing with us. Look. Oh my gosh, I already know. This fall, this fall, this face, these shadows, Pete. They're gonna have a good time together. Like, this palette has already just really excited me more about makeup. Super excited me about makeup. Look how good these look. Oh my gosh. And y'all look, I don't have a lot of fallout on my face at all. Look at there. Say what you will. Say what you will. Jackie did that. This color, I am super excited about trying. It is called Wigglies, right here. I'm hearing it's a very bold color, but beautiful at the same time. So let's see what Wigglies is talking about. Did y'all see that? That was one swipe. OMG. Jackie, you need to come to the front of the congregation, sis. The front of the congregation, sis. Oh my gosh. Y'all, what color is this? Like, what in the red, orange, foiled bomb.com is this? Oh my gosh. These colors are nothing like I have in my collection. This is such a beautiful, it's almost like a coppery red. Oh, they look so freaking good, man. Oh my gosh. Just gonna keep on blending. Okay, now from what I can remember, it seemed like she took, oh, I don't remember, y'all. I don't remember what she did, but I need to try some more colors out. So I'm gonna go in with Dollars. I've got to try Dollars. Dollars is this, it's like a money green type yellowish like color right here. I gotta see what it's talking about. So I'm gonna go in the inner corner with her. I bought 2 of these palettes, y'all. Sure did. I bought 2. A, I wanted to support Jackie, and B, I knew I was gonna love it. I knew it. I have really deep inner corners, so it really just helps to bring them out when I put something sparkly and bright right there. Underneath. Then I'm gonna go in with edges. And then I'm going to add some credit. Ooh, she cute. Oh, I wish I had my lashes. They downstairs, y'all. I ran up here. I want to film this so bad. I just want to see first impressions wise. Tomorrow. Y'all know I like to let my concealer dry down just a little bit. And then I'm just going to clean up. Oh, I look like this. I really, really like this. Now imagine with some lashes on. Ooh. She would be sitting. I hope the colors are coming off as nice on camera as they really are in person. What do y'all think about the colors? Even the combination of colors is just like, let me show y'all the palette again. Oh my goodness, I know y'all have seen it so many times, but come on, like really? Golly, like every single color we can use, every color. So I'm gonna be creating a lot of looks. I'm so glad I bought two. Well, that is it. So first impressions wise, what can I say? I mean, first of all, when the packaging is bomb, we talked about that. You got this cute little holographic type thing. You see pinks, you see purples, you see greens, you see blues, like every color is in here. And opening up, you know, I just know that this half alone is bomb for fall. Like, I already know. But all of the shimmers, all of the mattes, I mean, the combinations of them, it just gives you so many options, guys. Like, so many options. I just feel super inspired by this palette because I know I want to put colors together that probably shouldn't go together but would look amazing together. I probably would have never reached for a color like this, but it looks so amazing once you put it on. Like, so it's giving me the inspiration to really try something different. This color, Trust Issues, I mean, it's like an iridescent white gold. Like, who does that? I mean, really. This is Soleil. It's a beautiful pink, like rose gold color. Then you got Zam. It's more, so Zam is like a really super rose gold color. But then you have Soleil, which has like a, gosh, it's like a pink undertone. It's just so hard to describe these colors because you just, I think when she did the iridescent with the hologram type cover, I mean, it's almost similar to the colors in the palette. I mean, Lituation, I have no idea how to describe this. It's like a, I mean, in the palette, it doesn't look that way right here, but it's actually a purple with like a black undertone. I mean, she was brilliant. She was brilliant. Look at Sponsored. Sponsored, iridescent, like chameleon type teal, green, purple. Man, listen, I'm about to have a ball with these colors. Ginger is absolutely gorgeous. That would be a great transition shade along with Edges. I mean, hands down, I love the palette. And if you're familiar with Anastasia, you know she always gives you the same brush with all of your palettes, which I don't know about you, but I don't ever really use it. But it's a great brush. I just don't ever use it. So first impressions wise, I can say I'm super glad I bought it. I am very impressed with the shadows. Even more impressed with the pigmentation of the shadows. They apply great. They blend great. Like I said, the colors just amaze you because they're colors that you don't think would necessarily go together, and they look amazing together. Wiggly's, I don't know where she came with this color from, but hands down, it's probably one of my absolute favorites in the palette. And I'm just super happy. So I'm very proud of Jackie Aina. I hope you guys will support her, and just make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this has given me so much more inspiration. I will definitely be uploading more videos. I know I haven't done one in a while, I'm sorry. But this palette is definitely going to inspire me to do way more videos and way more tutorials. And so I would love for you guys to see. If you didn't get the palette, I hope this video will, you know, kind of give you some insight on what the palette is about. If it's, you know, something for you, something that you may want, I would hope that you go ahead and purchase it. And I'll put the link down below. I don't get any commission or anything from it, but if you want to purchase it, I can definitely provide you with the link. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, become a part of the Chrissy Woods family, and also turn on your notifications so that when I do upload videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So anywho, I hope this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the palette first and foremost. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.